Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the umask command. You can use it to set the default permissions for files that you create. One of the most important things to keep in mind is that umask is a mask. That word implies that the settings are in some ways the opposite of what you would expect. Set your umask to 777, for example, and you're going to find out that the files are actually given no permission. So we touch file 1 and look at how it looks. And you can see no one has read, write, or execute permission on this file because of that umask setting. The other thing to remember is that execute permissions are never set by default, no matter what umask settings are in effect. Set your umask to 000, for example. You might think that means we're going to get all permissions set, but touch a file, take a look at it, and we can see we get read write for everyone, but no execute permission at all. Keep in mind that changes to umask will not affect existing files, and that umask settings will be in effect even if you never use the command. If you simply log into your account and type umask, you will see the current setting. Now, in this case, it's all zeros because of what we did up here. Normally, you'd see 0002, and that first digit doesn't have any effect. It's probably only set because of the relationship between the umask and chmod commands, and chmod uses that position to set something referred to as the sticky bit. Well, that's your Linux tip for umask. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.